and excited today. I freaking love Mondays. Seriously, Mondays are so freaking awesome. It's the beginning of the week. Traditionally, I'll put in a full workday on Monday, but not today. Today's a pretty special day because I'm gonna be hanging out with my pops. We're gonna have a father and son day. The last time I got to spend some really good quality time with my dad was probably like a year and a half ago. We were in Hawaii together, hanging out and having a ball. And what I mean by good quality time is, you know, not going out and grabbing dinner or lunch or anything like that, but just taking the day off and just hanging out and just doing fun stuff together. You know, that's what I mean by good quality time. So I'm pretty stoked. My dad's been working a lot. I've been working and traveling a lot. So we haven't really had a chance to really spend quality time, but today he's not working. So gonna be hanging out with him and doing some fun stuff. Now, I definitely wanna take this time to mention some things about my dad. My dad is a man I absolutely admire. He's the one that taught me the value of insane work ethic. I mean, he's in his 60s now. Until this day, he still works 40, 50, 60-hour shifts. It's crazy. He still cuts his own grass. I mean, he still does everything around the house. And I've been telling him for years, Dad, why don't you travel more? Dad, why don't you just retire and relax? And he's like, no. You know, he'll probably work till the day he dies because that's just who he is, you know? And there's two kinds of people in this world. There's people that work to live, and then there's people that live to work. And that's my dad. All right, so here's what's on the agenda for today. Super excited. My dad loves RC cars, so I'm gonna take him to a new RC car track here in Huntington Beach to race some RC cars. And then he's never done go-kart racing, so I'm gonna hit up K1 in Irvine, which is an indoor go-kart racing track, and then maybe go grab some lunch and just have a great day. So gonna pick up my pops now.
What's up?
It's my pops right here. Gonna go have some fun. Sweet, look at these freaking nice RC cars, man.
Any questions?
No. You want the green one? All right, I'll take the black one. Damn, this is like a freaking RC car shop. This is nuts. Look at this track. Whoa, this is a cool track. I think we got a grip of this now. We're gonna have a father and son race. Let's see who wins. Remember, my dad has the green one, I got the black one. So maybe we don't have a grip of this thing yet. It's not that easy. I just had an idea. GoPro RC car. Dad, you have fun?
Yeah, I had fun.
Thanks, guys. See you guys next time. All right, we just got done playing with small toy cars. Now we're on the way to play with bigger toy cars. Dad's having a good time. That's what it's all about. here we are at K1 Speedway. All right, we are ready to rob a bank. Here's our race results. My best lap time, 21.6 seconds. The average is 25 seconds, so I'm definitely doing a lot better than average. Whoa, I actually scored best of the week. Look at that, check that out. David Vu, best of the week. Let's see what my pops got. Let me see, over here, Daddy. All right, my dad's personal best lap time, 35.7 seconds. Now, mind you, this is his first time doing it, so he's still getting used to and adjusted to everything. So I'm sure he's gonna get better lap times on the next race. All right, we're on to race number 2 now on the big track. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Ready, Daddy?
Yeah.
Race number 2. The race number 2 results. My best lap was 25.3 seconds, and I came in first place. See what my pops did. My pops did 31.7 seconds, so he definitely did a lot better. Good job, Dad. You got more comfortable. Pretty good. All right, that was a lot of fun. Me and my pops are hungry, so I decided to take them somewhere really cool. This is one of my new favorite restaurants, you guys, here in Huntington Beach. Huntington Ramen. It feels like little Tokyo when you walk inside. Check it out. Konnichiwa. All right, check this out. So we got the takoyaki and garlic adamame. Arigatou gozaimasu. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry for all this food porn. Check this out. They call this the real tantan, number 4. And then this one right here that my pops is eating is called the spicy miso. It has eggs and pork. The broth is so freaking good. All right, time to eat. We got some green tea ice cream dessert. Oh yeah, this is like homemade and it is seriously so good. I would just come here just for the dessert. Thank you guys. All right, seriously, again, I said it over and over. The food here is absolutely exquisite. Make sure you check it out. All right, our fun meters are full. Our bellies are full. We had an awesome day. Did you have a good day, Dad?
Yeah, I have.
Definitely time to go home now. Till next time.